Hey guys, so now that my bathroom floor tile is laid, I need to apply a tile and grout sealer. This is for stone, tile, and grout. It's a water-based penetrating sealer, and it will prevent any sort of stains or discoloration to the grout or the tile over time. So, here's Cutie. She was licking in the background. I didn't want you to think it was me, so I'm going to pick her up so you can hear. It's Cutie smacking her lips around. This is the Mapei Ultracare Penetrating Stone Tile and Grout Sealer. And I don't know if you guys have seen old grout, especially white grout, can look so disgusting and dirty after not even necessarily that much time goes by. So I think this is a really important step to do. I've already applied it to my marble countertop in the bathroom, and it was super easy to apply. But there are a couple things that you kind of want to make sure you do. So I thought I'd make a video and show you how I do it onto the floor this time. So the first step is to clean your floor. I've already cleaned mine. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Once it fully dries, then you're going to apply the sealer. And to do that, it's really easy. All you need is a microfiber cloth and you're good to go. So let's do that. Let's jump in and get it done. See that, Kiwi? So cute. I often show Ocean in my videos, my husky. I don't often show Kiwi. So cute. Okay, let's jump in and get this done. This is actually super easy to do, and you'll feel a lot better using your floor after, because you're not going to have to worry about little, I don't know, water damage causing stains and making it look ugly, discolored. Okay, so I've got everything that I need right here. So I have the product, a microfiber cloth, a bucket. If you don't have a bucket, you can use a small bowl or a large bowl, I guess, and some gloves. So what you're going to do is put your microfiber cloth into the bowl or bucket, and then you're going to use, yes, it says to shake. So give it a shake, and then what you're going to do is saturate the cloth with the sealer. So we're just going to pour it all over the cloth so it's fully saturated. So now the cloth is all wet with the product, and I'm going to start at the back of the room and work my way this way. And all you're going to do is take the cloth, fold it in half, 4/4, and you're literally just going to wipe the product onto the floor. So I'll show you. So you literally just go wipe it on. And you'll know it's on because it looks wet, it looks shiny. I'm gonna get behind the toilet here as well. It's hard to reach. And I would say the product spreads pretty far. I'm still using the same section of cloth here for nearly half the bathroom. I'm almost half done and it's still very wet. Just gonna do behind the door. Bye guys. Blech. Tight quarters. Try your best to get under anything. Obviously it's less of an issue underneath, but just give you a closer up shot. So the whole bathroom has been done now. If you look close, you can just see it has a shiny coating on it. It honestly just looks wet. It looks like I took a cloth of water and just wiped the whole floor down. So we're gonna leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna take a dry microfiber cloth and just buff the whole surface. And you'll feel that it has like a residue on it. So when you take your dry cloth, you're just gonna buff the residue off until it feels smooth, and it's very obvious when you do it. So we'll do that in 10 minutes. If you do want to do a second coat, you have to wait 1 hour. So if you're not sure if you need a second coat, you can do a test. And to test it, simply just flick a few drops of water onto the surface and you'll see if the water kind of beads up and just remains on the top of the tile, then you're good to go. If it looks like it's soaking into the tile and doesn't bead up, then you'll definitely want a second coat. I found on my my marble countertop, I didn't do a second coat and I do see the water beading up, so I think it's fine, but it's so easy to do and it's on a small countertop, it's probably worth doing a second coat. And actually I should maybe do that now. I probably will do that because why not, right? Yeah, anyways, it's your decision. Decide what you want. The product spreads pretty far, so I think you'll have more than enough product in the little tiny container to do multiple coats depending on how large your room is, obviously. You're going to keep the stone dry from water for 3 hours after application, and then you'll want to keep it dry from any kind of staining material for 3 days. So staining material, what could that be? Probably like if you're using any products, maybe makeup products in your bathroom and you want to make sure you really don't have any accidents for at least 3 days because you're not going to be protected, I would just not bring products like that into the room for at least the 3 days, and then you'll be good. This is my first time doing it, and it was super easy for me, and I think it would be easy for you too. And if you found this video helpful, or if you're interested in other kind of home renovation DIY style videos, then consider subscribing, because that is what I like to post, and that's sort of what I'm all about, what I'm hugely passionate about. And I'm a complete beginner. A lot of the things I'm doing on this channel, I'm doing for the first time, maybe second time now. But ever since buying this house, it was a complete fixer-upper. I've done a lot of projects around the house. I've done the kitchen, the bathroom now. I did a little mini makeover on the other bathroom. I've done sanded all the floors down to the original floor. What else? I've done so much around this house, and I want to continue sharing that journey. So if that's something that would be of interest to you, I'd love if you would subscribe and join the little community I have here. And all right, I hope that helped, and see you on the next video.